In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect anonymous responses in Microsoft Forms. If you need honest feedback, sensitive survey input, or quick check-ins without collecting names, setting your form to accept anonymous responses is the way to go. I'll walk you through the exact settings to make that happen and share a few helpful tips so you understand what each choice means. First, open your web browser and go to forms.microsoft.com. Once you're on the Microsoft Forms homepage, you'll see your recent forms and quizzes. Choose the specific form or quiz you want to share. The sharing and privacy options work the same for both, so pick the one you're planning to send out. With your form open, look toward the top right and click on Settings. This opens the area that controls who can access your form and what information is collected from respondents. We'll focus on one key section here because it determines whether responses are anonymous or tied to identities. In the Settings panel, find the section labeled Who can fill out this form, and this is where you define who's allowed to submit answers and whether sign-in is required. To enable anonymous submissions, select Anyone can respond. This removes the sign-in requirement and allows people outside your organization or those without a Microsoft account to fill out the form. It also means names and emails won't be captured by the platform. If you don't see this option, your organization may restrict external sharing, so you might need to check with your administrator. Next, make sure one response per person is turned off. That control relies on sign-in to enforce a single response, which would identify participants. Disabling it ensures Microsoft Forms won't track who is submitting. Keep in mind, turning this off also means someone could submit multiple times from the same device. If that's a concern, add a clear note in your form description asking respondents to submit only once. At this point, your form is set up to gather truly anonymous input. A quick way to confirm is to preview your form. You shouldn't see any prompt to sign in, and the experience should be open to anyone with the link. Before you share it as you normally would, scan your questions to make sure you're not asking for names, emails, or any details that could identify someone. Anonymous settings won't override questions that directly request personal information. That's it. By choosing Anyone can respond and disabling one response per person, you've configured your Microsoft form to collect anonymous responses safely and simply.